Hello and welcome to a quick STACX demo. To get started, I just need to drag and drop my PDF file from my desktop into this box under step 1. And here we can see my package actually got uploaded. And then under step 2, I'm going to select a client, a product, and a project. These will basically change some factors for this specific package like client taxonomy, stacking order, checklists, and then the load number is actually pulled directly from the PDF file. So now I'm going to hit save and continue. And this will send our package into the system. On the manual classification page, we have a few different sections. On the left is a list of classifications. On the right, we have some page confidence levels. These colors are actually assigned to each page that STACX classifies, and you can see on the left here, each page is either green or blue for this package. If we click on a page, it'll show us here in the middle the document viewer. Now to classify this last page, page 161, we'll click on it and we'll see what it is here in the document viewer. And I think I want to classify this as not a title commitment and not a W-2, but I think I'm going to classify it as miscellaneous. And then I'm just going to hit go. And now this page is classified. So we're done manually classifying. So now I can hit classification complete, and then I can click OK, and we are on to the next process. Now here on the manual data extraction page, we can click this drop-down box and choose what document we want to work with. Here I'm going to click Closing Disclosure 1, and now we see this comparison chart between the STACX data that was just captured through the system and the LOS data that actually came from the loan origination system. Here we can see that the comparison between the borrower last name is actually wrong. STACX captured the wrong name, so the system is going to tell us that some of the data has some discrepancies. And here on the top, we can see a breakdown of how many total critical fields there are, and it actually includes how many were extracted and how many were not extracted. So when I'm done with the manual data extraction, I can click Data Extraction Complete, and then I'll click OK, and now we're done with this process. On the right of the PC Audit page, we have the checklist. There was a total of 65 questions, and it looks like only 13 weren't answered by STACX. That's pretty good. So now, if I click on the not answered questions, we can see exactly what questions weren't answered. And here I'll click on the conveyance deed, and we can see over here on the left there were no pages in the conveyance deed. So count how many pages in the deed. We're going to hit NA for this selection because there were none. Now let's go down to this security instrument question, and you see when we click on this first question, the security instrument actually comes up in the middle, the document viewer. And now we can answer this question, yes. So it's really easy to make selections for this PC audit. If we hit reset, we can go back and view all of our questions. And now if we're done with the checklist, we can hit audit complete, click OK, and now we're on to the next process. Now if we go to the completed tab, you can see our package here, and here I'd like to show off some of the email functionality. You can select email groups to send specific documents to. And if you need to just send to one person, you can even enter an email address and then just click enter. And then you select whatever documents need to send. And finally, just set an expiration within days, however many you need. And then you can click send email, and your email will be sent and will even look like it's coming from your organization's email system, not from a STACX email system. Thank you for watching this short demo. If you'd like to see a live demo or just need more information, please contact us at the information at the bottom left of the page or go to www.stax.ai.